Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing video and this is a DJI Spark Fly More combo. So, let's see first the styrofoam box. Here is the Spark, it's very small. Here in these mini boxes are the spare propellers. And here is an extra battery. So, let's see the shoulder bag. Its quality is very good, but let's see what is inside. Here is a micro USB cable. With this you can charge the remote controller and also the Spark if you want. And here is the battery charging hub. With this you can charge 3 batteries in the same time. Let's see the bigger pocket. Here are the manuals. Here is the charger. And here is the power cable. Here are the propeller guards. It's very easy to take on and it's recommended if you are flying indoor or you are a beginner. And here is the remote controller. It looks nice and also its quality is very good. So, that was our unboxing video about the DJI Spark Fly More combo. If you like this video, please like it, share it and subscribe to our channel for more videos.